Hello students, good morning to you all. Once again, be ready for the quiz time. These questions what I am going to ask is from the chapter Life Processes and the topic is respiration. I hope you people will reply all the questions. I would request please go through till the last so that you can solve all the questions, and if not, at least you can learn all the answers. So my first question is, the correct sequence of anaerobic reactions occurring in yeast is given below. The answer is A. It's glucose which gets converted into pyruvate in the cytoplasm, and in cytoplasm itself it gets converted into ethanol and CO2. My second question. Which of the following is most appropriate for anaerobic respiration? Options are given below. The answer is D. It's glucose which gets converted into pyruvate in the cytoplasm and energy, and then further conversion takes place in mitochondria into CO2, H2O and energy. Next question. Which of the following statement is or are true about respiration? Alveoli increase surface area for exchange of gases. During inhalation, ribs move inward and diaphragm is raised. Hemoglobin has greater affinity for carbon dioxide than oxygen. Or in the alveoli, exchange of gases takes place. Options are given below. The answer is A, 1 and 4. The next question. Which is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? Options are given below. The answer is D, nostril, pharynx, larynx, trachea and alveoli. Next question. When air is blown from mouth into a test tube containing lime water, the lime water turned milky due to the presence of oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor or carbon dioxide. It's D, carbon dioxide. During deficiency of oxygen in tissues of human beings, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid in Golgi body, chloroplast, mitochondria or cytoplasm. It's cytoplasm. Next question. Lack of oxygen in muscles often leads to cramps among sports persons. This results due to conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid, conversion of pyruvate to glucose, non-conversion of glucose to pyruvate, and conversion of pyruvate to ethanol. It's conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid, A. Next. Lactic acid formation occurs during anaerobic respiration in muscles, anaerobic respiration in yeast, anaerobic respiration in muscles and yeast both, or aerobic respiration in yeast. It's anaerobic respiration in muscles, A. Next question. Krebs cycle is a part of glycolysis, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration or fermentation. It's B, aerobic respiration. Woody plants carry gaseous exchange through root hair, stem hair, lenticels or epidermal cells. The answer is C, lenticels. Vocal cords are present in glottis, pharynx, larynx or trachea. The answer is C, larynx. Pleural membrane covers the alveolar sac, thoracic cavity, lungs or nasal cavity. It's lungs. Next question. Muscular partition that separate thoracic cavity from abdominal cavity is called pleura, diaphragm, alveoli or pericardium. It's B, diaphragm. The final product of glycolysis is malic acid, glucose, acetyl CoA or pyruvic acid. It's D, pyruvic acid. Constriction of diaphragm leads to expansion of thoracic cavity, increased air pressure in thoracic cavity, decreased volume of thoracic cavity, or exhalation? It's A. Expansion of thoracic cavity. Next question. Trachea do not collapse when there is not much air because they are thick and muscular, having cartilaginous rings, have valves, or supported by larynx. The answer is B. Having cartilaginous rings. Next question. The blood leaving the tissues become richer in carbon dioxide, hemoglobin, water, or oxygen. The answer is A. Carbon dioxide. So, my dear students, how many questions you could solve? I'm sure you must have solved many questions. Keep watching these videos and please go through the description box. The video is given related to this topic which will help you to solve more and more questions again. Thank you all of you and all the very best. Don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.